Hey, so if you're a student and want help with homework, research, or studying faster, yeah, Google Gemini can be a powerful tool. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how students can use Google Gemini in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Make sure everything is ready to use. Next, type your homework questions. So you can ask for explanations, solutions, or step-by-step answers. All right, ask Gemini to simplify topics. I mean, you can say, explain like I'm a beginner to understand better. Now use it to summarize notes or chapters. This saves time when preparing for exams. Next, create notes. So you can ask for bullet points, key ideas, or revision guides. All right, ask for practice questions. I mean, Gemini can create quizzes to test your knowledge. And yeah, use it to improve your assignments. Check grammar, rewrite paragraphs, or make your writing clearer. So that's how students can use Google Gemini. If you use it smartly, it can make studying faster and much easier.